How to redeem Monopoly code to McDonald's app. First is download the McDonald's application via the Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your end. And then you just simply access the McDonald's application. And for you to be able to participate into rewards and codes redemption, you need to create an account with the rewards and deal. Sign in or sign up to an existing account such as Apple, Facebook, Google, or continue with email. On the next page is simply confirm and re-verify the email address that you use and tick all those two options right here to acknowledge you agree to McDonald's and be in the know about deals for McDonald's and hit on confirm. Now, if the Monopoly Go feature or rewards redemption, if it is still available on your dashboard, simply tap on that and you will have two options to specifically input the code or scan a QR code. Now, if you use a digital Monopoly Go codes, you will be receiving a QR code physical box that you receive to simply scan it on the Monopoly Go redemption page, or you could also enter your 5 character code from the physical box. And that's how you enter Monopoly code redemption to McDonald's app.